Today I decided to share something different. As you know, my friend, that our channel has hit 1 lakh subscriber, and for that one I'm really thrilled. I'm really grateful to God who has been constantly showering his blessing on me. Secondly, I'm grateful to you people because I can't do anything without you people love and support. So I'm really grateful that you have been supporting me since I started my channel. See, my friends, when I started my channel, that time I didn't know anything. To be honest, I wanted to explore. That is why I started my channel. To be honest, okay? But when I started, things started unfolding. Okay, gradually I started learning. When I started, I didn't know how to edit, little bit also, how to make thumbnail. So anyhow, I had learned little bit and I started, applying on my videos. Why I'm sharing here? See, no one is perfect in their life, in any areas of their life, I would say. So before you start doing anything, don't wait for the perfection. Otherwise, you will fall behind, my friend. There are a lot of people, they are constantly doing hard work. Okay, and if you keep waiting for the right moment, if you keep waiting for the perfection, then you will be very back. So if you want to go ahead and achieve anything, then you need to start your journey. It could be anything. It could be YouTube journey or learning journey or anything. Don't wait for the perfection. It's really myth, my friend. No one is perfect. And to be honest, many people, they are entangled in this myth. And that is why they are not able to achieve in their life so many things. Because they wait for the right opportunity, they wait for the perfection. They think that I'm not perfect. Then how can I start my this work? How can I start my that work? But my friend, we should start whatever we know, wherever we are, and whatever we can do. Whatever resources we have, wherever we are, we should start. See, when I started recording my video, so I didn't have anything. I had my mobile phone, and you won't believe, there is one bucket, okay, at my home. So I used to keep my mobile on that bucket, and behind my mobile I used to put bricks. Okay, so there are a lot of struggle. That is the first one, I would say. Secondly, place related, that from where should I make video, because wherever I go, some of them they make noise, some of them they start playing music. So a lot of things were going on. Still it is going to continue, or still it is there, and I know in future also problem would be there. So my friend, you are not going to get the perfect moment. Okay, so start whatever you have and wherever you are. Let's apply this formula for learning this language. You would be thinking that I know very little, how can I start talking with people? My friend, here you are wrong. You should start whatever you know. If you know few words, then go and talk in few words also. Have the courage. Okay, see, as I told you, don't try to entangle yourself in the trap of this myth or this false that I can achieve anything once I become perfect. You can't become perfect. And I think that there is no perfection at all. Perfection doesn't exist. Someone can be good or better, but perfect, I think there is one word, but no one is perfect here. In any terms, in terms of beauty, in terms of anything, I think you can apply. If you see a home and you think that this is really perfect home, but after after some time you may find another home which would be more beautiful than that one. Okay, so nothing is perfect here, I would say. Little bit flaws are there, or you are not able to find someone, another would find, I would say. So don't wait for the perfection. Okay, Just start wherever you are. Actually today also I started making video from my garden, and see, a lot of monkeys started coming the place where I was making video. First of all, I was little scared. Afterward, I thought that if I don't disturb them, so they are not going to disturb me too. So see how they are sitting, and some of them they are there, and some of them they are jumping on the branches. So see, they are busy in their work, right? So why not I should be busy in my work? See, if I had thought that my house is not good, how can I start making video? Or I don't have the perfect place, I don't have the perfect mobile, I don't have a lot of people to support me. So you tell me, my friend, could my channel have reached up to this level? No. I would be wandering somewhere, I would be waiting for the perfect moment, I would be lagging behind. But no, I started with my broken English, and still I don't feel that I'm perfect, and I know that I can never ever be perfect. But it doesn't mean that I am going to stop learning. No, I will keep learning. In your case also, today you are not perfect, but you can be better, and better is good. I think in that one we can live happy life, right? So what's the need of being perfect? Because perfection, I think it doesn't exist. It's my experience I'm sharing with you. I don't know, someone can prove also that perfection, perfection exists. So in that one I can be wrong, but I'm just sharing my experience. So in my opinion, perfection doesn't exist. Okay, that is why start your work, whatever you know. If you know little words, start your speaking journey. If you don't have a lot of resources, even start doing whatever you know. I've heard many people, they say that, oh, she is not perfect, how could she teach? It's not all about perfection, my friend. You know what? I've seen many people, they are very good at English, they are very good at so many things. But the thing is that why they are not getting that much popularity? You know the reason? The key thing is that other people are not able to correlate with them. You know? Why? Because let's take the example of learning English. Let's suppose you are a beginner and someone is very perfect. I would say that 20-year experience, or that person is native speaker, like that. So a beginner start talking to a native speaker. So after talking 1 minute, 2 minutes, then he will think that it's really difficult. But if the same beginner start talking to intermediate or beginner level people, then he will little bit correlate. Oh, I am making mistake, that girl is also making mistake, I think I can also learn this language. So then they start resonating their situation with other person's situation, and then they start following them, or then they start liking them and all. I believe that. So what all I want to share with you, that is, don't wait for the perfection, otherwise you will lose so many opportunity, my friend. And today I want to share with you that how I celebrated when my channel hit 1 lakh subscriber. I would say that I didn't celebrate it to very tremendous way. I only went to my parents, I took their blessing, I took my sister-in-law's blessing, and I took God blessing. That's what I did, and I was little happy. What I feel, my friend, this is not end. I have to go so far, I would say. I have to serve a lot of people. Okay, so that is why I was happy, but I can't say that it is success that I have got and I should be very very happy. I am really happy, and to be honest, I am a kind of person that I don't know how to be excited, so much excited. When I get happiness, okay. When I am sad, even okay. So little bit I feel. So I don't know. What about you? How do you manage your happiness and sadness? Do you feel over excited when you get something, when you achieve something? Or do you feel very sad when you are sad that time? Even other people can know that you are sad. Let me know in the comment box. So this is my situation, my friend, and I shared with my family member that my channel hit 1 lakh subscriber. So to be honest, my mother asked to me that what does it mean 1 lakh subscriber? Did you get 1 lakh money? Something like that. I said no, mom. I said no, mother. I didn't get 1 lakh money. It's 1 lakh subscribers. Just like 1 lakh people subscribed my channel. So my mother couldn't understand so much, but she was happy. She didn't understand so much, but really she was happy. And I shared with my mother. I shared with my brother and sisters. Yeah, that's it. I celebrated. I didn't cut any cake and all. See, my friend, one thing I want to share with you. I'm from village area, as you know. So in my village, there are a lot of girls and boys. They had never ever celebrated their birthday, and I'm one of them. I have never ever celebrated my birthday. Okay, and I don't, feel to cut the cake and all. I don't know why. I feel little shy also. Maybe in future I can change. I don't know what I'm sharing, but these all are my personal information, I would say. So that's how I do, and I hope you people are going to take these words seriously, that from today onwards you people are not going to wait for the right moments. You people are not going to wait for the perfection. Whatever you know, wherever you are going to start your journey. So start, my friend. You will go far ahead. But if you keep waiting, you will remain the same place. You will remain at the same place, and your fluency will be also same in terms of learning this language. So many things are there. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you people like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.